how to withdraw money from Pocket Option to a bank account. Now, before doing this process, you have to double check and make sure that the money that where you will sending the money to is already fully verified and operable. But if not, you have to log into a specific bank account where you will sending the money and make sure that it is already verified and ready to be used. Now just simply log into your Pocket Option account, and in there all you have to do is go to withdrawal. And by then you just have to add the specific bank where you are sending the money on the part of the withdrawal method. And in there you will be asked to log in to where you will sending the money to on a specific bank account that you have set up on Pocket Option. Enter the specific amount and as well as your bank account number and some of the details needed for it to be fully verified. And that's it. That's how you send money, or that's how you withdraw from Pocket Option to a bank account.